Dear students, I welcome you all for your today's English class. Students, we pray the Almighty to bring back you to school soon with more wisdom and knowledge to the school atmosphere. With this simple wish, let me get into today's class. Grammar plays an important role in speaking the language without any mistake. So, in this way, we are going to learn the phrasal verbs today. Phrasal verbs. What do you mean by phrasal verbs? The combination of a verb plus a particle resulting in a new word or phrase. Verb means action words. So, when you are combining the verb with a particle, the particle may be a preposition or an adverb. So, when you are adding a preposition or an adverb with a word, we can frame the phrasal verb. Phrasal verbs are a group of multi-word verbs made from a verb plus another word or words. Phrasal verbs are made of verb plus adverb. Phrasal verbs can be intransitive or transitive verb. Particles. What do you mean by that particle? Verb plus particle. The particle may be in the form of a preposition or an adverb, isn't it? So the particle, if you are using the particle preposition, it doesn't work as a preposition. Instead, it joins with the verb present there and make the phrasal verbs. Here is an example for the word. He looked up at the skyscraper. Up is a preposition, but it is not at all functioning as a preposition here. And in the same manner, she looked up a word in her dictionary. Again, the preposition up is not at all functioning as a preposition. Some phrasal verbs have more than one meaning. Keep on. The meaning for the word keep on. The meanings of the word keep on is to continue, not to remove something. Take off means remove or leave. So sometimes the phrasal verbs give more than a meaning. The particle, when the particle is added with a verb, it has been framed as a phrasal verb. And when you are framing the phrasal word, it doesn't give the literal meaning of the word. Instead, it will give some other meaning. For example, put plus off, put off. Put off means postpone. It doesn't give the literal meaning of the word put off. Instead, it gives some other word, some other meaning, that is postponed. For example, I put off my trip. That means I postpone my trip. So, the verb postpone can be replaced by the phrasal verb put off. When you use the same verb with a different particle, the meaning changes. For example, the verb put is added with the particles like off, on, away and back. It gives different meaning. Put off. The meaning for the word put off is to postpone. Put on. To cover your body with clothes. Put away. To put something in its original place. Put back. To return something in its original place. Here is some more phrasal verbs with its meaning and how it is used in a sentence. Let me see that. Be named after. That means be given the name of another person. How the phrasal verb is used in a sentence means Albert was named after his grandfather. Get along or on with. The meaning for the phrasal verb is have a good friendly relationship with. I get along and with my brother and sister. Get together, spend time together. How it has been used in a sentence means the whole family usually get together at Christmas. Grow up, develop into an Example, the children have grown all up and left her now alone. Look after. The meaning for the word look after is take care of someone. It's hard with looking after the 3 children at day. Look up to. Respect and admire someone. My father is a role model for her to look up to. Split up. The meaning for the word split up is end a marriage relations. Example, her parents split off a few months ago. Take after, look or behave like a older relative. Example, she takes after her father. Here is a practice for you to practice the phrasal verbs that we have learnt in today's class. Some phrasal verbs are given in the bracket. Let me read and give the meaning for this so that it will be easy for you to find the answer for the fill-ups. Give up means stop. Put off means postpone. Look after means take care. Call on, visit. Put on, wear. So dear children, I'll give you few seconds to find the answer for the 5 sentences. Yes, the first one answer is she puts on a new dress. I look after Harry in the absence of his father. You must give up smoking. I will call on you at evening today. The match has been put on until tomorrow because of bad weather. Children, hope you would find the meaning for all these sentences. Like this, you practice the phrasal verbs given in your textbook. Thank you.